Welcomes you to Stock Control channel. Today we will see about Cochin Shipyard share. About Cochin Shipyard share. Cochin Shipyard was incorporated in the year 1972 as a fully owned government of Indian company. So, being a government owned company, its shares risk is considerably less. Cochin Shipyard secured shipbuilding orders from internationally renowned companies from Europe and Middle East. It is nominated to build the country's first indigenous air defense ship. Cochin Shipyard can build up to 1,10,000 deadweight tonnage (DWT). It has built various types of vessels including tankers, bulk carriers, port craft, passenger vessels, etc. Currently building platform supply vessels for exports and aircraft carrier for the Indian Navy. Cochin Shipyard is the only one shipyard which can repair up to 1,25,000 deadweight tonnage. The only yard which can repair an air defense ship in India. This share is constantly a profit-making one and paying dividend also. The turnover increased by nearly 5 times from rupees 374 crore in 2005-2006 to rupees 1,629 crore in 13-14. Current revenue of this company is rupees 3,422 crore. Earning yield per share is rupees 48.48. Now we see the fundamental analysis. Before that, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, press bell button for future videos. Now we see fundamental analysis. Market cap is rupees 4,320 crore. This is a small cap company. And book value is rupees 283.70. When we compare with the current price, it is less, so cannot be accepted. Current price is rupees 328.45 rupees. 52-week high is rupees 491.70 and low is rupees 209. ROC is 24.84% is acceptable. More than 18% is acceptable, so this is acceptable. ROE is 18.45 is acceptable. Stock P is 7.71. Below 10 is quite acceptable and investors preferring that. Dividend yield is 5.06% is good. Listed in B and NSE. Face values 10. Sales growth 3 year is 18.46 is good. Sales growth 5 year is 16.67% is good. PE ratio 1:4 is not acceptable. OPM 5 is 19.74 is acceptable and is good. Tax last year is rupees 225.74 is okay. NBM last year is 18.60 is acceptable. Interest coverage 17.39 is very good. Debit to equity 0.03 is not acceptable. Current ratio 2.05 more than 1 is acceptable. Average return on equity 5 is 16.21 is acceptable. Earning yields looks very good because if we compare with the bank FD, this is very huge. Bank FD is currently is almost 6 to 6.54 when we compare that, earning yield is very impressive. Price to book value is 1.166, satisfactory. Price to sale 1.43 is satisfactory. Promote holding 7.86 is more than 50 percentage is acceptable. Plus percentage nil is the requirement, so it's acceptable. Debit days today is 30.74 is also acceptable. Cash from operation last year looks positive, so it's acceptable. Intrinsic value is 19.40. When we compare to current price, looks less, so cannot be acceptable. Industry P is 14.5. Now we move to performance year to year, quarter to quarter. Sales, the current year, June 2020 is 332 crore. Profit before tax is 58 crore. Net profit is 43 crore. EPS is 3.24 rupees. Now we compare with the last quarter. In last quarter, in March 2020, sales is 817. It decreased, so looks negative. And the profit is 139 crore. Now is 43. That also decreased. EPS last quarter was 10.55. Now is 3.24. That also decreased. Now we see year to year. Year to year sales also decreased. Year to year in June 2019 is 735. Now is 332. That also almost half of the sales. That means this looks negative. Even profit, net profit, before that we see profit before tax, it is 186 and currently is 58. Last quarter is 185. Net profit in June 2019 was 120 crore. Now is 43 crore. EPS is 9.14 rupees. Now is 3.24. When we compare the net profit, EPS and sales, all we can see the slippage. This is due to the current situation. Once this share starts performing, definitely this share is going to be increased. Because of the sales down slippage and the net profit slippage, now the share value became in this level. Now we go move to share price chart. In 2017 rupees, it was in rupees 528. In 2019 it decreased to rupees 340. In March 2020 it decreased to rupees 228. Now at rupees 328 means it is keep on increasing. So in next quarter or in the coming years, when this company or this share is going to perform, or as you know, this is one and only shipbuilding company in India, and definitely this is going to be performed, and this share is going to be increased from rupees 3,000 to almost rupees 450 range. So this is going to be perform as per the fundamental analysis. Now you can analyze personally and decide about investment in this share. So this is all about Cochin Shipyard share. Thank you. Have a nice day.